Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Amber Autumn card workshop. And one of the things that I did in this workshop is I used my ink pads and my blending brushes to color my images. So I just wanted to quickly show you how that was. You can easily color these with markers if you want, or colored pencils. This is just another option for you. So what I did was I stamped the images with Early Espresso, and then starting with the lightest color and my lightest color. So I don't have a blending brush for every color, but I have a blending brush that I use for all my yellows and stuff. So this is Daffodil Delight that I'm using. And I just pick out the items that I'll need yellow for, and I put some yellow in the places that I want it to go. So it only picks up a little bit of the ink at a time, and it works a little bit better when you've die cut them because it obviously has a much smaller area to color and to stay colored. And in addition to this little gourd, I'm going to put some yellow on my bottom pumpkin, so that way when I add the orange, it might turn into a little bit of an orange yellow. So that is my Daffodil Delight. And then I take my pumpkin pie and I'm going to do the other. And again, it'll be a little more succinct when it's on the die cut shape, because then it's like pre-cut off for you. But I'm surprised at how much I can aim. And sometimes I'll turn the paper so I can aim it a little bit better. And then I'll add some orange to the top of the yellow. So I'm kind of trying to get my pumpkins to be a different color. And so now I have those colors. So that was pumpkin pie. And then it's Cajun Craze's time. And so I'm trying to get a little bit on the tip so I can do my acorns. Because I think acorns are kind of like a little bit reddish. And then I also just do the tip so I can get some of the leaves to be red. There we go. So that's done. And then I do the Early Espresso, and I put some on the top of the acorns. And the tops of the pumpkins. So you can do as little or as much of this as you want, but in my mind, this is kind of faster than getting out all your markers and individually coloring them. You just kind of throw some color on the images and you're done. And since we got Early Espresso, Cajun Craze, Daffodil Delight, and Pumpkin Pie are the ones that I have used. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.